moving on with our series on the C63 GBG wide arch that we make ourselves, but we've told you that in the episode 1. So at this stage, what we've done is we've removed the internal splash guard. It's also called a beep shield. Don't know how that works, but anyway. And then what we do is we cut the arch to our template, which we're not going to show you because that's top secret. And then we prepare the area to bond on the GBG wide arch kit. What we do is we bond it on with a special product. We also fix it at the same time. Once it's been fixed and secured, we then remove the fixings because we don't use anything part of the bonding. Then we fill those holes with our bonding material, and then we move on to the fiberglass and putty process. That have all been shown in the video too. So at this stage, it's ready to be bonded. So we just wanted to show you where we are.
Hey guys, Alex here. Ollie's decided to go on holiday, so you're stuck with me this time. So just moving on from the last video, the arches are on. They've all been flushed in, smoothed in and shaped up nicely. You can see how much extra it gives you. These are the standard wheels. All the gaps are good, everything's done. So the next stage is we're going to strip it all down and put it in the oven, and we're going to give it a good heavy high build primer. Then we're going to block that down, get rid of all the minor little imperfections, smooth that all off, and then prime it again for the final coat and block it all down ready for paint. So that's where we're at. It's all looking good, and on to the next stage.
So I'm back now. I hear Al's been keeping you up to speed, which is perfect. So we thought we'd just run you through again where we're up to, because we wanted to give you the whole process from start to finish. So currently at the moment, Al is still polishing. So as an extra on this car, we've painted down both sides and the bonnet area. So the only thing that hasn't been painted is the tailgate and the roof. So we're just carrying out a complete flat and polish, so the paint finishes like glass. It's going to look really, really nice. The other thing we're waiting on is we're waiting on the wheels. They've been ordered, but we're talking about 6 weeks of delivery. Suspension kit's fully on the Variant 3. We can't set that up fully until we receive the wheels and tyres. And then once the wheels and tyres are on and we set the ride height and the bounce and everything else, then we can go and get the ADAS camera calibrated, because that's very, very important for insurance purposes.